Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm really excited to show you guys how to recreate this time shift effect that I've seen a lot of people using in commercial work especially, and I think it's a really neat effect, and I'm going to teach you how to make it today, recreate it in the computer using DaVinci Resolve. I'll teach you how to make a power grade yourself. So what I've got here is two clips, one here of the camera that you saw, and the other one is going to be here. The reason I chose these shots is because they have some bright areas like this light bulb here, and then this one's got some high contrast, so we're going to be able to see the effect and be able to play around with it quite well. So once you download the file, you're going to get a macro folder, which I'm going to get into a second, and then you're going to get your power grade folder. So those are the two things that are going to come in it, and I'm going to show you how to install these first and how to use them, and then if you want to skip over to the section on how to create the power grade, then you can go and look at the timestamp below and skip forward to see how I made the power grade here. So I'm going to first install these so you guys can see how to install these and how to use them. So what you want to do is go to your color tab. You're going to open your gallery, and then we're going to import it right in here. So I'm going to open my time shift effect. I'm just going to drag it. You can drag it into any folder. I'm just putting it in this folder for now. But you're going to go into your power grade folder, grab the DRX file, and that's the one that you're going to drag over. And then you're going to see that's right here. That's your time shift effect. So the way that we apply it here, to keep in mind that time shift effect is a color managed DaVinci wide gamut effect. So that means it's expecting to be in a color managed environment. For example, this is the power grade that my friend and I created together. It's Cinevista 210. You can check it out. I'll link it down in the description below. But this is a power grade that is color managed. So we start with DaVinci wide gamut here, and we go from our camera, Sony, to DaVinci wide gamut, and then your output is going to be right over here. So if we just grab these for a second, this all right here is in DaVinci wide gamut. So we go from Sony into DaVinci wide gamut, which is all of this, and then we go from DaVinci wide gamut into our output, which is here, which is Rec 709. So that means that anything that happens in between all these clips here is happening in DaVinci wide gamut. Anything outside here is going to be more Rec 709 footage, because that's what we export here. So this is important to know, because when you're applying this power grade, this power was built to work in a DaVinci wide gamut environment.
想要吗？先截图，主页连结加 Line N 或 TG， 私信发你。